Working from home has become increasingly popular in recent years, offering numerous opportunities in various fields and interests. If you're looking for ways to generate income from the comfort of your own home, here are 20 work-from-home ideas to consider. 1. Room rentals. Transform spare rooms or basements into rental spaces on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. With careful management, this can generate passive income with minimal effort. 2. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services in subjects or standardized tests online. Utilize online tutoring websites or social media for advertising to reach potential clients. 3. Virtual assisting. Provide administrative support remotely to clients. Opportunities are found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. 4. Freelance writing. Create content for various purposes such as websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to different types of clients with specialized or broad writing services. 5. Transcribing. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. Paid per audio hour. This offers flexibility but may require transcription of less interesting topics. 6. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary. 7. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. While not highly lucrative, it offers flexibility. 8. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. 9. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Requires time to build a loyal following, but can generate passive income. 10. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. 11. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. 12. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. Provide visuals for marketing materials and earn money. 13. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Consider your living situation and insurance before offering services. 14. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Transition to your own website once established. 15. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits. Showcase skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. 16. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market your skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. 17. Voiceover work. Record voiceovers for audiobooks, podcasts, or commercials. A home studio setup and quality equipment are necessary. 18. Personal shopping and stylist. Offer personal shopping and styling services to clients. Advertise through social media and networking events. 19. Online language tutoring. Teach a foreign language online to students of all ages. Utilize online tutoring platforms and social media for marketing. 20. Content creation. Create content for YouTube, podcasts, or other platforms, catering to a specific audience or niche. Monetize through advertisements, sponsorships, or product sales. These work-from-home opportunities exist across various fields and interests, allowing you to find one that suits your skills and passions. With careful planning and dedication, you can generate income while enjoying the flexibility of working from home.